Guys, Abel here from Prasads. I wanted to do a quick video on how to make the best masala chai ever. Now, we use Saha Botanica. She's a great South Australian company. So masala chai, as we call it, we'll have a look at that. So it's got cardamom in there. It's got all your little Indian spice as well. So we're gonna pour that, all of that. So that's a good handful into our little thing. Don't worry if you're making this. Just throw it on the floor. And then froth it up. I always froth it up. A lot of people dip it in water, like strain it through water. I find that if you're doing a proper tea, you got to get it heated in milk. Now at home, what we do is we've got on a low boil and just do it for a few hours. Now, this is just very quickly. We've got a little strainer in here that will strain out. And this is how I do my masala chai. Just like that. All done. Thanks.